In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. All of us made the mistake of downloading an app and just randomly tapping on allow to finally use it. If you want to take control over all of those permissions, follow all of the steps. Begin by going into settings. Now scroll to click on security and privacy section. And here's most difficult part for most users, because when you scroll down, there is no permission manager. And that's because it's hidden under privacy controls. So when you click here, you can tap on permission manager at the top. Now my favorite part, you can not only tap on one of your features or one of your apps, like for example contacts, camera or calendar, then select any app under those sections, allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, and not allowed, tap on any app you wanna manage, pick one of those options, and go back, so in my case allow only while using, to change it in seconds, but you can also pick any feature and then look for an app you wanna manage. Click on it, scroll all the way down and click on this tiny text at the very bottom, see all permissions. This way you can manage all of them only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!